We got a score. A score of, oh, just falls off the opponent. Airstrike with the Uber striker made. Oh, look out, Austin. Here comes the midfield melee of those robots. Let's see who's going to make the first human-powered score. Airstrike coming over to place over on top of that, over two. Good for the airstrike. Double their points on top of that, over two. Airstrike picking up a square. The green team's playing D on team 133 Bert. Airstrike striking all around second part of that logo. Here comes team 95, the Grasshoppers. They're going up high. Can they put one up? Blue team having a little bit of time getting rolling here. 836, the Pollinator playing D on airstrike. 3467, the Windham Windup going down. Here comes airstrike for a logo. Triangle gets a logo for airstrike and red lane. 3467, the Windham Windup places one in the lower row. Airstrike again on top. 836, the Pollinator playing some heavy D on the red lane. 133 Bert trying to do the same thing. Grasshopper trying to make it by 836, the Pollinator. We got the green team lining up for the end game. 25 seconds left to go in the match. Team 95, the Grasshoppers going up top for the second level. Looks like the Pollinator dropped the snare. Airstrike lining up. 15 seconds to go in the match. Oh, and airstrike loses their base ball. Here we go, one up for the top. The Windham Windup's up top.